Welcome to the future of innovation where artificial intelligence and machine learning are revolutionizing the way we live and work. In today's fast paced world, businesses are turning to artificial intelligence to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. But that's just the beginning. Predictive analysis fueled by machine learning algorithms enables organizations to forecast trends, detect anomalies, and anticipate customer needs. And there are intelligence assistants transforming interactions between humans and machines. Imagine visual assistant customer support agents resolving issues in real time, smart supply chains optimizing logistics and inventory management, more personalized medicine tailored to individual genetic profiles. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are not just the technologies, they are catalysts for innovation. Embracing this revolution means embracing a new future where humans focus on creativity, strategy, and innovation. Join AI revolution, unlock the power of intelligence automation, predictive analysis, and intelligence assistance. Discover a world where technology enhances human